Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play with friends on Monopoly Go. So let's get started. So here we are in Monopoly Go, and the first thing that I want you to do is to go tap on the top right of your screen where you can see three horizontal bars and go into settings right here. And what you want to make sure of is you want to tap on the manage account and make sure that you have your Apple ID or maybe your contacts or your Facebook account connected to your account right here so that you would be able to add friends more easily with that, and you would be able to save your progress with your friends. And then once you have this set up right here, then now we can proceed into the friends section. So from here, you want to tap on friends at the bottom right. And then from here, you would be able to see some requests that was added, that was sent to you. And then you have suggested friends based on the account that you are connecting into this Monopoly Go account. So I connected my Facebook, and then some of my Facebook friends are also playing Monopoly Go, so they are suggested right here. And I also have the timeline right here where I can see my Facebook friends right here and so on, so that you would have more friends here in Monopoly Go. And of course, the leaderboard would also depend on your Facebook friends right here. So yeah, if you connected your Apple account, then you'd be seeing a different one and so on. And then the next thing is this one. We also have a mini game right here that would require you to have at least 5 friends. You can tap on this chest right here, the blue chest, as you can see in the center, and that's what you need to tap. But I am not currently able to do that right now because I'm currently on low level, since this is just a dummy account. And yeah, so that is basically how you do it with friends. And by the way, on how you can invite them, just tap on invite right here. Tap on friends, tap on invite, and then you can invite them via link. This is the only way that you can invite your friend right here in Monopoly Go. And then the next thing is you can also go for contacts right here, but you would need to add contacts right here. So when I tap on that, and then you would need to provide your mobile phone number right here, so that you would also be able to play with someone that is saved in your contacts in your phone. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.